Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, today we are going to discuss some of the important GK questions. So, let's get started. The very first question: what does the Olympic flame symbolize? Option A: zeal to play sports, B: challenge, C: continuity, D: integrity. So, the answer will be C: continuity. Okay, we move to the next question. Who was the first Indian International Cricket Council president? Option A: Sharad Pawar, B: Jagmohan Dalmia, C: Rai Mali, D: Gavaskar. The correct option is option B: Jagmohan Dalmia. Move to the next question. Which is the only Grand Slam tournament to use clay court? Option A: US Open, B: French Open, C: Australian Open, D: Wimbledon. Answer is option B: French Open. Next question. In international cricket, the game is ad- the game is adjudicated by how many umpires? Option A: 2 umpires aided by a third umpire and a match referee. B: 1 umpire aided by a match referee and a third umpire. Option C: 2 umpires aided by a match referee. Option D: 2 umpires aided by a match referee. Okay, so these two options are similar. Okay, the answer will be option number A: 2 umpires aided by a third umpire and a match referee. Next question. Which player has won 20 major singles titles? Option A: PT Sampras. Option B: Jim Courier. C: Roger Federer. D: Rafael Nadal. The answer will be option number C: Roger Federer. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Which of the following teams is not a part of the South Asian Football Federation tournament? Option A: India. Option B: Maldives. Option C: Bhutan. Option D: Vietnam. The answer will be option D: Vietnam. Move to the next question. Who was the first president of the International Olympic Committee? Option A: Pierre de Coubertin. Option B: Demetrius Vikelas. C: Woodrow Wilson. D: Winston Churchill. The answer will be option number B: Demetrius Vikelas. Demetris Vikalas. Next question. Which Olympic Games was the venue for the infamous blood was the infame sorry which Olympic Games was the venue for the infamous blood in the water match? Option A 1952 Summer Olympics Helsinki. B 1956 Summer Olympics Melbourne. C 1960 Summer Olympics Rome. D 1964 Summer Olympics Tokyo. The answer is option B 1956 Summer Olympics Melbourne. Move to the next question. Which Olympic Games is also known as the Millennium Olympic Games? Option A 1996 Summer Olympics Atlanta. Option B 2000 Summer Olympics Sydney. Answers question Option C 2004 Summer Olympics Athens. D 2008 Summer Olympics Beijing. The answer is B 2000 Summer Olympics 2000 Summer Olympics Sydney. Move to the next question. Which country leads the all-time Olympic Games medal table for Winter Olympic Games? Option A Canada. B United States of America. C Germany. D Norway. The answer will be option D Norway. So this is all the 10 questions we have discussed. If you like to see this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest video updates.